Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to continue playing audio by hiding the video in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below and now you will see here download APK. Just tap on it. Now it will start downloading one file, so just tap on it and just tap on install. So finally our application has been installed successfully. Now just tap on open. Now just tap on this floating icon on the right side. Tap on this open settings and just tap on this install apps. Now just tap on this fake standby services and just turn it on. Tap on allow, turn on. So after enabling this, just move back and now just disable this option secure mode and just minimize this. And now just swipe down the notification toggles and just tap on this three dot icons, tap on this edit buttons, and we'll get one new toggle button fake standby. Just tap and hold and just drag it, and once you have placed it, just click on done. Now let us play some video. So let me open a YouTube application and let me try to play my own YouTube video. So right now you can see here.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials.
So
in this video I will show you how to delete any Android apps that can't be
now just
uninstalled
click on
without
this fake
booting or
standby.
any computer. So without further more delay,
Just enable this option. And now let us play back.
let's begin. So right now you can see my
Now
Android
once
on
again,
screen. So firstly let me show
click
you
on this
say
fake standby.
I have one
Now you can
application,
see here.
right? You'll say it with the name My Galaxy, right? So if I tap on it, so you can see here I don't have any uninstall option though. Let me show you other application. So there is an uninstall.
So to exit this application, just press this lock button once. So once again press this lock button again, and now you can just, so by using this application named as fake standby, you can continue playing audio by hiding the video in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.